What do cancer, paralysis, and diabetes all have in common? Other than all being terrible diseases, they could all be cured possibly through the use of stem cells. First off, I should tell you a little about stem cells. A stem cell is, of course, a type of cell, but it's a special type of cell that hasn't started to develop in anything. It's basically like a new ball of clay. You can mold it into any shape you want. There are two main types of these stem cells, embryonic and adult. Embryonic stem cells are found in humans during the embryonic stage of development, so they have not been born yet, and adult stem cells are found in the bone marrow and blood of adults. Embryonic stem cells are much more useful because they're more flexible in what they can become. According to Dr. Stephen Sullivan of the Irish Stem Cell Association, embryonic stem cells will always be needed to further the understanding of human development. But there is a moral issue with the way these cells are obtained, since they must be taken from unborn babies and it does kill the baby. People are much more accepting of the use of adult stem cells. So, like I said, the process of obtaining embryonic stem cells is very controversial. If you ask me, I think there should be more funding towards stem cell research and more extensive research should be done. I'm not exactly in favor of harvesting the cells of unborn babies, but I think we should take advantage of stem cells in aborted babies and in the harvested eggs that are sometimes left over in certain types of in vitro fertilization, which would just be destined for medical waste anyway. I think it should be one of our top priorities to try to cure these deadly diseases in any way we can. Another way to obtain these stem cells is by breeding babies in labs and harvesting their cells. Most people, including myself, think this is wrong. Some people are just against stem cell research in general, like Tom DeLay of the Washington Post, who said, "The best that can be said about this research is that it's a great way to explore the benefits of killing humans." I think that's a little radical because in the way we get these stem cells now, the human's already dead, so it's not technically killing them just for their cells. Now you're probably wondering why we even bother to mess with these stem cells when there's so much negative feedback. Well, it's because of all the amazing things you can do with them. Within embryonic stem cells, there are several categories, such as bone stem cells, skin stem cells, blood stem cells. The cells can become any cell of that category, like bone stem cells can become any bone cell, and skin stem cells can become any skin cell. Though testing on humans is not popular, it has been done. The actor Christopher Reeves, who played Superman a long time ago, used stem cells to regain some movement after he was in an accident and became paralyzed. Testing on lab animals has been much more popular, and it's been able to cure paralysis, brain damage, heart damage in rats, other small animals, but it's still kind of dangerous. The stem cells, the way they do it, they inject stem cells near the damaged area, and the stem cells become cells of that and just repair it, which is pretty amazing, I think. And this could help humans someday after they refine their technique a little bit. So I hope I've given you an opinion on stem cells and you realize that they could help you someday.